Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous videos, I've already give you a preview of this template and how it works. However, since then, I have made some important updates and improvements to make it even better and more useful for you. So in this updated video, I am going to walk you through everything that has changed, what has been added, and how these new features will improve your experience when you are using the template. Just pay close attention as I go step by step because these updates are very, very important. Thank you. So the first thing that we are able to change from this template is the fact that we added another sheet, uh, which is called dashboard. This does carry a lot of information. We created it so that we'll be able to add some information so that you will not just be creating invoice. So there should be a little bit of information getting from those invoice you have already been created, right? So this dashboard, you will be able to see the total number of projects, means the total number of invoice that was issued out, right? And also we'll be able to see the total revenue, right? So also you will be able to get the information about the average project value and also the latest invoice that you just printed, right? So and also at the down part of this dashboard, we are able to add the monthly revenue, whereby you'll be able to see the charts of the amount you are able to generate for a particular month. And also in the middle section, we are able to add something like service type income breakdown. We'll be telling you how revenue came in categories like the revenue that came through studio section, home service, and event coverage. So we are able to split it so that we know the percentage of revenue that was generated. So now the last part is top clients. So we are able to get information, like say 4 top clients. So those are the things you will be able to explore. So another thing that we are able to add is buttons so that you will be able to navigate through the new thing here is that we added the button, so that we'll be able to maneuver, as I said. So we have dashboard. After dashboard, we are able to add button to each sheet as well. So under setup, we are able to add some button. Under rates, no actual updates. For job details, just the button. We added new button, and also we added this part. This particular part allows you to tell the system when you want your invoice to expire, 3 days to 30 days. The next, under studio section, we are able to add the invoice so that once you are done with your calculation here, you will go straight to invoice. Likewise on home service and likewise on event. But the changes here too. So the changes that we are able to make here is for us to reconfigure the system, whereby it will allow us to remove or add the photographer or videographer, because everything, as you can see, is automated, right? So in case you think that okay, this certain number of photography that you are seeing here and the type of event you are trying to go for, you need more photographer, you need more assistant, you need lesser photographer. So this is where you will be able to change it. Just click on it, either -1 in case you want to remove, +1 or +5 in case you want to add. So you will be able to remove 2 and you will be able to add 5 photographer. Likewise for assistant too, you can do the same. So this is a new feature that we just added to the event coverage section. So we also added invoice. Once you click on it, it will direct you to buttons too, right? In case you want to go back and do some other things, right? Also, we are able to restructure the descriptions so to be more detailed. Lastly, we'll be talking about project history. This is the last sections of this particular tutorial. And this is the second part of our update, right? The reason why we come up with this is for us to be able to have a good interaction with this dashboard. So let me just explain a bit about this project history. This particular section just keep record of all the projects, right? So as you can see date, invoice number, and so on and so forth. But the purpose of this project history is for us to be able to know certain things in terms of the payment status. To know maybe the client later pay after you have already issued out the invoice. So for us to have the record, so that's the reason why we come up with the idea of creating these particular sections. So this status will allow you to select between pay pending, paid, cancel, or refunded options. Now, in some cases whereby you have to cancel the invoice or maybe client cancelled it, so you must update it here so that it will have effects on our dashboard. So as you can see now, we have a total project which is three, and we have total revenue 500,000, right? So for example now, that means we have three projects. So I can decide to add another one which is new one pending, right? So automatically it will reflect on the dashboard that okay, uh, we issue out four projects, right? And also the total revenue now is two. Later on, the client later cancel this particular one that was still pending because the default status is pending. So once there's a rejection, you can decide to cancel to be removed automatically so that we have an accurate dashboard, accurate statistics of our record. So that's the purpose of these settings. So that is everything for this updated version of this template. I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand all the new improvement clearly. If you have already have a previous version, I strongly recommend you check this new update because it will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thank you very much for watching this video and for your support. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. See you in the next update. Take care and goodbye.